Good morning. How are you all doing? I'm doing good. Back for walking for 45 minutes of physical activity. Have you all started? Have you all started? Especially who are in overweight and obesity. What this overweight and obesity can lead to? It can lead to hypertension, diabetes, PCOD, pre-diabetes, PCOS, and hypothyroid, osteoarthritis, varicose veins, excess fat, so varicose veins. So so what are we doing? It can lead to this. How can we prevent it? How can we prevent it? Lifestyle modification is a preventive step for all this. For all this, whoever is falling in overweight and in obesity, if they can start this lifestyle modification as early as possible, so it gives you result. So definitely, I was falling in overweight. I have initiated this lifestyle modification. I have monitored. I'm keeping continuity. That gave me result. And every day 45 minutes of physical activity is must for everyone. So yes, this lifestyle modification. What are we doing in this lifestyle modification? We are including 45 minutes of physical activity every day and few changes in the diet. Yes, with this lifestyle modification, we can prevent all these hypertension, pre-diabetes lo fall aithe you can go back to normal. Inka manam diabetes lo fall avamu. If you are in diabetes, you can keep everything in normal range. PCOD, PCOS, everything you can bring back to normal. Yes. And hypothyroid, high dosage tone manam high dosage తీసుకుంటూ ఉంటాము every day, but we don't look at this lifestyle modification. If you can look at this lifestyle modification, you can come to low dose, then you can go to normal. So what are we doing in yes. How many of you started this lifestyle modification? And you're going to start from today itself. So what we need to do in this lifestyle modification? We need to include 45 minutes of physical activity and few changes in the diet. రెండు చేయమనిత అంటారా? రెండు అస్సలు అనిత అంటారా? Yes. But we can prevent all this. Hypertension prevent చేసుకోవచ్చు, diabetes prevent చేసుకోవచ్చు, pre-diabetes if you are falling, you can go back to normal kada. And PCOS తో ఎంత how difficulties we face, we can prevent, no, we can come back to normal, no. And hypothyroid, all the metabolism lo changes vastayi, so we can easily come back to normal kada. It is helping out kada. So how many of you going to start? Especially who are falling in this. Yes. If you are not falling, it's a preventive. If you are falling, you can go back. So how అంటే if you are doing this lifestyle modification stressful ga, it doesn't work out. Stressful ga in the sense ఈ రోజే తగ్గిపోవాలి, 1 month లోనే తగ్గిపోవాలి, 6 months లో ఎంత తగ్గిపోవాలి. It will give a map, but daily workout లో మనకు up and down ఉంటుంది. So what I mean to tell is, what is stressful గా కాకుండా అంటే everyday workout is important. Initiating slowly is important. Day 1 itself, I have to do this much of workout ante doesn't work out. Day 1, when I have started day 1, I am able to walk only for 15 minutes only. ante adi kuda stop cheskuntu ఆ 15 minutes kuda. Now I am able to walk for 2 hours without stopping. That gives you result. Initiate slowly, monitor it. That gives you result. Keep continuity. Yes, that gives you result. So that is stressful. So ela cheyali, sincere ga, simple ga. No stressfully, no seriously. That will not give result. meer any efforts pettina, that goes waste. Sincere ga cheste, simple ga cheste, that gives you best results. Yes, best results in the sense you can reduce, you can go back to normal ranges, right? That's what we want, right? ఎలా చెప్పగలుగుతావా అంటే, even I was falling, I have followed, I'm able to share. So కొంచెం వాకింగ్, కొంచెం రన్నింగ్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఇక్కడ రాగానే స్టాప్ అయిపోయా, కుక్కలు ఉన్నాయి, కొరికేస్తాను నిన్ను అని. I'm expressing what I'm feeling. That's not wrong kada. What do you say? Bye bye everyone. ప్రతి జన్మకి ఇష్టమే కావాలని కోరుకుంటానమ్మ దేవుళ్ళని.